Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this one here does come to you at 48,000 miles on the clock, 5 leather seats as well as this is a crew cab, and it does come with 2 heated ones at the front. These are both also electric as well. Very nice for that adjustability. This is also an automatic and it does come with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range. Now there is not only satellite navigation and a parking camera, but also radio, Bluetooth, hands-free calling and also voice assist. And if we do just look in the rear, of course, we do have those 3 more leather seats with that lovely Wildtrak embroidery in them, as well as that 150 watt mains power outlet at the bottom just there. And even though this is a crew cab pickup truck, the bed at the back is absolutely massive. And if I do just open up the back just here for you, under the cover, you can see we do have a lot of space going all the way back there as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description below, or you can go to anchorcars.co.uk as well. Both links are there if you're watching this on YouTube. If not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more and more about this and many more of our pickup trucks.